For number 4, in the expansion of this, the coefficient of x is 7. Find the constant value of x, n, and then the coefficient of the x squared. So we have to find the n first. So if we think logically, it says the coefficient of x. So it means when 3 minus 2x, 1 plus x over 2 of n. When we times here, so it means the coefficient must be already times with the coefficient of the x. And then this minus 2x, when times it inside, it must times with the coefficient of no coefficient, times with a no coefficient. So, okay, we go first by this one plus x over 2 of n. So we have n, c, the r, we just leave it first. This is times 1 times x over 2. So we want to find the one that have the coefficient x. So this should be 1. And then, of course, this should be n minus 1. Then we can say this is also 1. So this n c1. So we have the n factorial over 1 factorial times n minus 1 factorial. 1, the power of anything, it is 1. So we do not need to write down it. So we have this x over 2. So this one, we do not need it. And n minus 1 factorial here. If n factorial divided by that, we shall get the n. So we have n x over 2. And for the other case, we have to find the one that no coefficient. This, all right, jx of 0. So this we have nc, the r, I just leave it first, 1 above. Then we have x over 2. We do not want to have the x, so it means it must be the power of 0. So this n minus 0. So this should be, or we can write down this is also n. So we have this n factorial over, we have n factorial, then n minus n factorial. So 1 the power of n, it is actually 1. And then times with the power of 0 is also 1. So we have, it is equals to this gone, and then 0 factorial is 1, so it's 1. Okay, so at the end, we shall get this 3 minus 2x. We have nx over 2 plus 1. Actually, we have more or longer of the expansion, but we do not need that. And then this 3, we times it with this, the nx over 2. So we have 3 nx over 2, and then this minus 2x, we times it with 1. So minus 2x equals to, the coefficient is 7x, right? 7x. We do not need the x, just we delete the x, so 3n over 2 minus 2 equals to 7. So we move the 2, so 3n over 2 equals to 9. And this we can delete, so n equals to 6. So we have the n equals to 6, and then it asks us to find the coefficient of x squared. So to find the coefficient of x squared, so we already have this, right? The n is 6, so it is 3x. We have 3x already. And then to find one more, we have to find the x squared, because, okay, let me delete some of this. N equals 20. This 3 minus 2x. If we want to get the coefficient of x squared, so it means we have to times it with something coefficient of x, and then plus with something coefficient of x squared. Because minus 2x will times with the coefficient of the x, and then 3 times with the coefficient of the x squared. We already got one coefficient, 3x, and then we only have to find the x squared. So, okay, let us put the combination, 6 combination, and then we have 1 plus, sorry, 1, and this is x over 2. I want to get square. So this is square, so this should be 4. So this should be 2. So if we calculate this 6 combination 2, 6 combination 15. So I got 15. So x squared. So if I expand it, 3 minus 2x times with 3x plus 15 over 4 x squared. So this 3 times this, so I got 45 over 4 x squared minus 2x times this, so minus 6x squared. So 45 over 4. So 45 over 4 minus with 6. 21 over 4 x squared. So that is for number 4. Okay, now we go to number 5. Number 5, it says that we have this line. It's an intersection with the x and y axis at the point A and B. And then the midpoint here, align this, and distance is find the value A and B. Okay, if we say intersection with the intersection x-axis, so it means it is y equals to 0. So we got x over A plus 0 over B. So we got x equals to A. And then when intersection with the y-axis, x equals to 0. So 0 over A equals to y, sorry, plus y over B equals to 1. So y equals to B. So we have the coordinate A and B already. And then we have to find the midpoint. So we follow the scenario of the questions. Midpoint of AB. Okay, AB. So we have already this intersection with the x-axis. It is A comma 0. This is 0 comma B. So if you want to find the mid, so it should be A plus 0 over 2 comma 0 plus B. So it is A over 2 comma B over 2. Okay, it said that the midpoint of a lies on the line of this, and the distance is this. Okay. So we have this 2x plus y equals to 10. Okay, I will substitute this to the equation. So 2 times a over the x plus b over equals to 10. This be divided. So a plus b over 2 equals to 10. Or I can make it become a equals to 10 minus b over. I say the distance of AB. Okay, the distance of AB is so 10 squared equals to a minus 0 squared plus b minus 0 squared, or 0 minus b squared. So I got 100 equals to a squared plus b squared. And then I will substitute the a to get the b first. So, okay, I will continue on the top. So 100 equals to 10 minus b over 2 squared plus b squared. So here I will get 100 equals to 10 minus b squared. So I expand it 100 minus 2 times this. So 10 b plus b over 4. Sorry, you have square here. Plus b squared. And then 100 equals to 100 minus 10b plus 5 over 4 b squared. Okay, this can be deleted, so I got only 0 equals to minus 10b plus 5 over 4b squared. And then I will factorize it, the b. So b minus 10 plus 5 over 4b. Then I will get b equals to 0, and that the other one is 0 equals to minus 10 plus 5 over 4. So later I will get the b equals to 10. It is 8. If the b is 8, so I will got the a equals to 10 minus 8 over 2. So a equals to 6. That is for number 5. Okay, let's go to number 6. Number 6, we have this diagram, and then it asks us to show the radius of the semicircle is that. Okay, so we have to find the radius of this semicircle. This how much? So if we see, we have the angle. So I think we can just use basic trigonometry. So this is 90 degree. This 1.2 becomes 0.6 radian. And then this we can use sine. So sine 0.6 radian goes to, let's say, this is x, the one that we want to find, 10. So sine, change it into radian first. You have to be careful. We have to change the degree become radian first. So sine 0.6 is 0.565 equals to, and then cross multiply, we got this time 10, 5.65. Is, or you can make it surrounded.